The combination of a powerful motor and a finely tuned, inbuilt cyclonic separator makes the Dust Eater blindingly efficient at vacuuming all kinds of dust and grit. Forget annoying clogged filters or the frustration of replacing burnt-out suction motors. And gone are those fairly useless filter bag shakers. Whether for small or large jobs, Hilton Vacuums will power through the toughest cleaning. Hilton Dust Eater vacuums absolutely stand alone in their capabilities amongst a crowd of conventional designs. Quite literally, the Hiltons are the toughest, most reliable, most powerful single-phase electric industrial vacuums in their class. Warning: don't try this with your conventional vacuum. 20 kilograms of ultrafine cement powder. Watch as the Dust Eater simply and quickly sucks up this bag of cement. Even the big-name vacuum machines at twice the price can't cope with this fine powder. Our 99.97% HEPA-grade, Teflon-coated filter system is now so well tuned that as part of our demonstrations, we routinely vacuum 20 kilograms of this cement powder in one go. The Dust Eater shows virtually no reduction in full suction power, even after doing what would be considered a conventional vacuum filter blocking task. Simply pick up the phone and call us today. We have a reseller network across Australia and New Zealand who are waiting to take your call.